Hey guys, welcome back to Suji's cookbook. Today I am going to show how to make chicken pakoda. Let's go with ingredients. Chicken, rice flour, salt, besan, ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, lemon, egg, black pepper, food color, turmeric. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of besan, a pinch of food color, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Give a good mix to all the ingredients are nicely coated with chicken. Squeeze some lemon. Keep it aside for 2 to 4 hours. After 2 hours, let's go for frying. Take a pan and oil for deep frying. Once the oil is heated, fry these curry leaves. And next green chillies. Next this marinated chicken pieces. Fry until it turns to crisp. Now the chicken pakoda is ready. If you like my video, please like and comment below and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.